What if the biggest obstacle to reaching net zero isn't cars, planes or factories? It's our homes. Across the UK, millions of houses are quietly losing energy, wasting heat and producing emissions every single day. And unless they change, reaching net zero by 2050 simply won't be possible. But this isn't just a UK story. It's a challenge unfolding across countries around the world. I'm Mercury, your climate intelligence host for Retronexus Co., where we explore the systems shaping the transition to a low-carbon future, starting here in the UK while learning lessons that apply globally. The UK has around 28 million homes, and nearly 80% were built before modern energy efficiency standards existed. These homes were designed for a different era, long before climate targets, rising energy costs, or sustainable construction became priorities. As a result, buildings now account for roughly 20% of the UK's carbon emissions. But the path to net zero isn't only about renewable energy or electric vehicles, it's about transforming how we live inside our buildings. This is where energy performance certificates, or EPC ratings, become essential. An EPC measures how energy efficient property is, rated from A to G. Most UK homes currently fall between D and E, far below the level needed for a low-carbon future. Improving these ratings doesn't just cut emissions. It can lower energy bills, improve comfort, and strengthen long-term property value. And while EPC systems differ from country to country, the principle remains the same worldwide. You can't improve what you don't measure. If you want clear insights into net zero, retrofit careers, and the future of sustainable housing, subscribe and follow Retronexus Co. as we break down this transition step by step. Here's the real challenge. Upgrading millions of homes requires more than technology. It requires people. Assessors, retrofit coordinators, installers, and energy professionals are becoming essential to delivering climate goals, not only in the UK but across Europe and beyond. Retrofit capacity is rapidly emerging as one of the most important sectors in the global net zero economy, creating new opportunities while reshaping the property and construction industries. For homeowners, retrofit doesn't mean a single massive renovation. It starts with understanding how a home performs, where energy is lost, and which improvements deliver the greatest impact over time. For the industry, data and assessment are becoming the foundation of smarter decisions, because you can't fix what you don't measure. And that's where professional energy assessment plays a critical role. The journey to net zero 2050 doesn't begin in policy documents or conference rooms. It begins in living rooms, loft spaces, heating systems, and the walls around us every day. So here's your first step. Check your home's EPC rating. Understand how your property performs, and start learning what retrofit could mean for your future. This is Mercury for Retronexus Co., starting in the UK, but exploring the global transition toward better buildings and a smarter energy future. Because in the next episode, we uncover something most homeowners don't realize. Some energy upgrades can actually make a home perform worse if done in the wrong order. And the difference between saving energy and creating long-term problems comes down to one critical assessment. I'll show you what that is next.